turned on and off like a light switch. Amino acids can be replaced by other amino acids, and portions of DNA can be expanded or deleted. It's completely accepted in science that cosmic rays can and do alter DNA. Since Cygnus is the source of the most powerful cosmic rays hitting Earth, it's likely that it has been responsible for altering DNA for thousands of years.
And this is caused because these tiny particles of radiation will affect our genetics, will affect our DNA.
Collins' speculations on Cygnus are supported by research showing a direct correlation between beryllium-10 levels recorded in ice cores from the Arctic with spurts in human development.
Did the ancients know of these cosmic rays? Well, to begin to answer this question, we have to look at the levels of cosmic rays that have been recorded in Earth's history. And what we find is that during Paleolithic times, anywhere between, say, 40,000 years ago through to, I don't know, 14,000 years ago, there was an incredible increase in cosmic rays, twice the level that we are receiving today, with certain peaks around 40,000 years ago itself, and around 17,000 to 14,000 years ago. There are two peaks of activity. What's so interesting is that those peaks correspond to periods of great acceleration in human evolution. Our ideas relating to Cygnus X3 might seem quite bizarre, but it is certainly confirmed within the scientific world that Cygnus X3 is doing exactly what we're saying it's doing. Quite recently, Mike McCulloch, a scientist from Harvard University who has worked with NASA and various space telescopes around the world, has confirmed that Cygnus X3 is the first recorded microblazer known in this galaxy, and that the cygnets, the cosmic rays, which we know to have been raining down on this Earth, possibly for hundreds of thousands of years, may well have been as a result of the jets, the particle jets produced by Cygnus X3 within its cosmic gun barrel. A British anthropologist by the name of Dennis Montgomery, since the early 1990s, has been looking into very similar ideas, and he also recognised that cosmic rays may have been involved. Most importantly, he saw them as originating from the Cygnus constellation. The effects of cosmic rays upon our own genetics has led to mutations within the body, within the mind, within the brain, that has altered our perception of reality onto a level of perception not achieved before this time. Now, the idea that cosmic rays may have affected us is something which might sound quite alien, quite strange, something that is almost either new age or mad in some people's minds, although it is a fact that as early as 1973, one of the world's most respected astronomers, Carl Sagan, predicted that cosmic rays would have affected human evolution in the past, and that he noted in particular neutron stars, of which almost certainly Cygnus X3 is an example, and that the particles coming from them may well have influenced the way that we are today over a very long period of time. The Cygnus mystery is one explanation of human evolution, or certainly the acceleration in human evolution.
Collins concedes that Cygnus is only one possible explanation for the sudden development in human civilization, but the correspondence between ancient cosmic ray levels and sudden evolutionary leaps in human technology and art are facts that strongly support his conclusions. If Collins is correct, he has solved some of the greatest mysteries of all time. The veneration of Cygnus in the remote past explains the enigmatic alignments of ancient religious sites. It explains why the swan, or a similar bird, was seen as a carrier of souls in many ancient cultures scattered around the world. It explains the ancient belief that a specific location in the Milky Way was the portal into the sky world. It explains why shamans entered dark caves to perform their most sacred rituals and paint representations of Cygnus on the walls. And it explains the sudden evolutionary leap in mankind. The confirmation of Collins' incredible findings will probably come from space scientists working all over the globe, combining their research with genetics. Astrophysicists have found evidence that the universe began with a Big Bang, and that everything that exists is made from the same material as the stars. The ancients believed that the source and destiny of each human soul was found in the stars. The Cygnus mystery tells us that the beliefs held by these enigmatic ancient people were probably more true than anyone has imagined.